Hey everyone, I'm Steve from Neptune UI. I just wanted to show you a really quick walkthrough of what you get once you purchase the library. Right now, a Neptune doesn't come only with components in Weweb, it also comes with different stuff. So let's start with the Figma file. You will have this access to this Figma that contains all of the components that you see in Weweb, and this will help you like basically design first with exactly the same blocks that you have here in Figma, and then implement that design in Weweb. Also here you can change the colors and the typography super easy. So if you're familiar with Figma, you will see that we have here all the variables that allow you to customize all the colors. And also here we have all the styles that allows you to customize the font and the sizes or whatever you want to change here to match a little bit your brand. But also here by default, we have an option to change between different stuff. So we have the theme right now. This Figma supports three themes, that is blue, violet, and orange. So every time that you insert a component with a different theme, you will see that is going to be adapted to the theme that you selected here. And also you can change between different fonts. So this is in case you don't have like a really established brand yet, and you can experience different things. So you can see how it will look with different colors and different fonts. But let's move on and see the components. So we have here in Weweb over 70 components right now with different variants, and each components contain different logic and different workflows. So for instance, here I have a login template that this comes with the library, and this input component has a validation that basically says the component that if the user didn't type any valid email address, trigger this error. But each component contains different properties. So you will see here different properties that can change the style of the component, but also the logic. And also in the workflows, you will see that every time that you create a workflow and you have a component from the library, you can see different things here that basically you will need to learn a little bit how to use them. And probably you're wondering, hey, how do I learn this? Well, we have this website that contains different tutorials. These tutorials will be going from getting started, like changing things like icons and font or changing colors in Weweb, to more advanced things to how to use over the 70 components that we have in the system. And each component contains a tutorial, a video tutorial, a Figma link access, and in some cases they contain also a text description. So you will be basically ready to learn everything using these components, and also with some themes to use them properly depending on your use case. And finally, I just wanted to show you that right now all of these components support light mode and dark mode. So we have here a dark mode, but if I want, and I'm just going to do this change really quick here, this also supports light mode. So every component is going to be adapted, and every color that comes here with the library is going to be adapted to a light and dark mode. And finally, I just wanted to tell you that we are working in creating more advanced templates, and the good thing is that these templates are coming with a mini course. So basically in this mini course, you will be seeing me doing live streams and also recording classes to build stuff. The first template is going to be a full expense tracker. We are going to be using Sano and also Weweb and all of the components that Neptune UI comes with. To build this first dashboard that you can see here in the Figma. So if we go here, you will see this first dashboard that we are going to build using Neptune, Weweb, and Sano. And my idea primarily of building Neptune is that we can save time. You know, Weweb is super great creating all the logic and allow us to deploy applications super fast. But sometimes the native components lack some customization settings or some basic logic that all of the components should have in order for you to go faster, not building from scratch, but having like these blocks that help you create the UI, create interactions really quick, and then focus in launching your application. So that's why this whole library will save you a lot of time of development and also a lot of headaches. And lastly, you will have access also to a Discord community. So in this Discord community, we can chat about the library, but also in general about Weweb. And if you find any bug, you can report it here. Or if you want to vote for a new component, you can do it here. And this access also comes with the mini course access, that is going to be all the templates, live streams, and classes that I'm going to do. But also we have these private channels only for the pro users that will be entirely focused on the library. So I really hope that this video convinced you to purchase the library. But in case you have any questions or any comments or anything that you want to ask me before making the purchase, I will include a link to the Discord community in the description of the post in Weweb, and you can join to the Discord and ask me whatever you want. And that's it. I really hope you to this tutorial help you see the powerful library that you are going to get, and I will expect to see you in the other side. Thank you.